A very good morning to all the dear students of class 6. I welcome you all to this new class of English grammar where we are going to start with the notice writing. Now children, as the format for notice writing has already been sent to you all a day prior for you to have a look. So let us understand what is the objective of notice writing and what do you actually mean by writing a notice. So children, notice means simply to notify, to inform. And when a notice is being written, this means that this short notice is informing about something, some event which is going to take place, anything which is lost, when you have to spread one information to a number of people. Notice can inform in one go that message to a number of people. It can spread that information to masses. So let us see how do we write notice. Now as the format was sent to you earlier, let us see what minute details we should keep in mind while writing a notice. Beginning with the top. First and foremost, when you as a student are going to write a notice, the first thing should be there, name of the school, comma, place. Then the heading notice. It has to be written like that. Notice should be broadly written so that the person who is reading this should get to know that this is a notice and it is having that important information which has to be given. Next is the date when this notice is being displayed, right? Then subject is the topic on which the notice is to be written. Next is body of the notice. Like in the letter, we have body of the letter. Same in the notice, we have body of notice. For example, what details you are writing in a notice. And coming towards the end is the signature. Signature of the person who is writing the notice and the person who is writing the notice whose name should be there. Signature, and just after the signature children, full name should be there. And then the designation. What position is that person holding in the school authority or in the school administration. Now to make it simple for you, let us practice one notice so that you can understand very well how notices have been written or how to write a notice. Now beginning with the top is name of the school. What school you are studying in? It is Montfort Inter College. So I will write Montfort Inter College. Children, you should know the correct spelling of your school. In the earlier times when we used to see your copies, most of the students write Mount, Mont. You people don't know the correct spelling of your school. So you should be very clear with the spelling of your school, which is Montfort, Montfort Inter College. Comma, Lucknow. Just to save that space, I have written this LKO, but in your copy, you are going to write LUCKNOW. Right? Now, this notice has to be written like this. Notice. Let us come to the date. For example, today's date. It is 24th November. 24th November 2020. Now, children, the correct way to write down the date is 24th. TH should not be to the power. TH should be written to the date, next to the date. It shouldn't be written like this. For example, children write like this, 24. No. This is the wrong way to write down a date. So you will write 24th November, comma 2020. Right? Whatever date you are writing down your notice. Next, subject. Let us take a topic on what subject we would write a notice. Let us say having a debate competition. So we will write down the subject as debate competition. Debate competition. Right? Now, body of the notice. Children, I have to write very small, but I will click the picture and I will send it with this class, because I have to write very small to adjust the entire notice in one board, because notice cannot be carried forward in the next sheet. This is an important tip for you to note down, that while in your examinations you are writing down the notice, you should not continue the notice to second page. The notice should be completed in one page and inside this big box. So you cannot continue the notice to second sheet. Whenever you are writing down the notice, if you have 4-5 lines left in your answer sheet, you will not start your notice. You will start your notice in the next page. Okay. Now let us write the body of the notice. What we are going to inform. Notices are very short and crisp. That means you should give the important information also, but in a very short way. You should not write your notices in a lengthy form. Notices are very short, crisp and short, so that in short people understand what information has to be given. So we have to inform the students of class 6 for debate competition. So what we should write? This is to inform all the students of class 6 regarding the debate competition, which will be held on say 2nd of December, which will take place on 2nd of December, which will held on 2nd of December. It is up to you. So these two lines are giving the students entire information. Okay, so we will write this is to inform all the students of class 6 regarding English debate competition. English debate competition, and then the informer will write about the person whom to be contacted, because you have just informed that this so and so competition is going to take place on what date. English debate competition, which will be held on which will held on 2nd December 2020. Now this is the notice. Now what will the interested students do? You have informed, but how will the students come to know whom to contact? if you are informing the students, you should give complete information. Therefore, the writer of the notice or the informer will write the complete details of the person also whom to be contacted. So you will write, interested students will contact interested students will contact the college captain. College captain. Right? So let us read the notice once again. This is to inform all the students of class 6 regarding English debate competition which will held on 22nd December 2020. Interested students will contact the college captain. So now you have given complete information about the debate competition. Right? Now you should end the notice. Now the writer will will first sign, then you will write the full name and the designation. Suppose the college captain is posting this notice, so the college captain is going to sign. For example, I am doing my signature, right? And I will write my full name. No, I will not take this. Okay, yes. Pooja Rastogi. I have signed, I have written my name, and now I will write the designation. College captain. So, with this, we end the notice. Now, something is missing in this. You should guess. I erased the last part, but the box is not yet drawn, children. So, the box is not yet drawn. After writing the notice, we should cover the notice inside this box. It is the most important part of notice writing. If you are not completing your notice with this box, that means marks will be deducted. So notice has to be there inside this box. Right, children? So let us recap what we need to write while writing a notice. Name of the school, Montfort Inter College, Lucknow, the place. Then notice as heading. Then the date, 24th November 2020. Then the subject, debate competition. Body of the notice, name, full name, signature, full name and the designation. And with this, the notice is completed. So children, I hope notice writing is clear to everybody. I will click the picture of this board also and will attach with this video, and then I will give you one question based on notice writing which you will be writing in your fair copies. Right? Hope you have understood everything. Still, if you face any problem, you may contact me. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.